Hey, MC here. I have got an unboxing video today. So, we ordered one of these ghost guns off the internet. They mailed it right to the house. So, let's unbox this thing and we can show you what we've got. First, we'll open up the packaging. Tack knives, no sponsorship, but check them out. They are pretty slick. So back to the ghost gun. Clearly it's a ghost gun because there is no packaging labels, there's no shipping addresses, there's no incriminating evidence on the outside of the box. Get this box open. It's packaged really well. Pretty secure. Everything you would expect out of today's modern shipping technologies. And of course, we can only show you what we can show you because of people that don't want to show you all of the steps. So we'll unbox this thing here. Oh my gosh, will you look at that? This beautiful gun. This has got a pistol grip. It's got an adjustable shoulder stock, recoil reducer. It's totally a free-floated barrel. This thing has got absolute no contact with the handguard. The handguard is skeletonized. It's got this awesome pattern in it. Even the flash hider. Actually, no, I think this came with a suppressor. It is a ghost suppressor. Again, you can't see it because it's a ghost. There's no serial numbers on it. But believe me when I tell you, it's there and it is just awesome. Fully automatic. So 3 million round capacity. So this thing is just ready to roll. So if you haven't figured out, that's sarcasm, people. But it is a nice barrel. This was ordered the same time the pistol was ordered. This is a 16-inch barrel so that I can convert that over to a rifle until the powers that have 3 letters in their agency can get their crap together and figure out what's a rule, what's a law, what's common sense, and what is tyranny. So just a spoiler, this one is, I don't know if this is going to zoom in on it, so I might have to tell you, this one is a, come on, here we go, focus right there, 10 millimeter, 1/16 twist. This is a Bear Creek Arsenal. This is a 16-inch replacement barrel for one of their PCC 10 millimeter carbines. Yep, I ordered one. Don't have it yet. Hasn't shipped out yet. And of course, Bear Creek has not answered the email inquiring whether it will ship or won't ship. They did charge my credit card, so there's that. So apparently I have bought one. It's just I have yet to see it. No thread protector, so we will have to procure a thread protector. It is 9/16 by something, so your 1/2 by 28 won't fit, and your 5/8 thread for your 308s, those won't fit. So this will be exciting when I've got something else to put it into, but it does take Glock mags, so that's a plus. It does take 10 millimeter, so that's a plus. Of course, the best millimeter there is, well, on the civilian market anyway, is the 10. So stay tuned. This build hopefully will turn out great, and we can get some footage by August, I'm hopeful. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching.